Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Talk in English.
Welcome back. We're really happy to have you here again.
Today's topic is very useful and a little different.
Yes, today we are going to talk about how to talk about your week in English,
Not just one day.
but your whole week.
This is something people ask all the time.
Exactly. Questions like, how was your week?
So, Sarah, let me ask you that question. How was your week?
My week was quite busy, but also productive.
Busy and productive. That sounds like a good week.
Yes, I had a lot to do, but I finished most of my tasks.
That's great. What did you do at the beginning of the week?
At the beginning of the week, Monday was very difficult.
Oh, really? Why?
I had many meetings and a lot of emails.
That sounds stressful.
Yes, I felt a bit overwhelmed.
We learned that word before, overwhelmed.
Yes, it means having too much to do or think about.
What about Tuesday? Was it better?
Tuesday was better. I was more organized.
That's good.
I made a list of my tasks.
Ah, making a list really helps.
Yes, it helped me stay focused.
Let's explain organized.
Organized means everything is planned and in order.
Example, I feel organized when I write my tasks.
Very useful word.
What did you do in the middle of the week?
Wednesday and Thursday were very productive.
What made them productive?
I completed a big project.
Wow, that's impressive.
Thank you. I felt very proud after that.
Proud is a great feeling. Did anything interesting happen this week?
Yes, something funny happened on Thursday.
Oh, tell me.
I joined a meeting, but I forgot to turn off my microphone.
Oh, no.
And I was singing.
That's amazing.
Everyone heard me.
That must have been embarrassing.
Yes, but also funny.
That reminds me of my week.
Oh, how was your week?
My week was a bit challenging.
Challenging means difficult, right?
Yes, but in a way that helps you grow.
That's a good explanation.
At the beginning of the week, I felt very tired.
Why?
I didn't sleep well on Sunday night.
That can affect your whole week.
Yes, Monday was very slow for me.
I understand that.
But then something changed on Wednesday.
What happened?
I started exercising again.
That's great.
Yes, I went for a run in the morning.
Did it help?
A lot. I felt more energetic.
Exercise really makes a difference.
Then on Friday, something good happened.
Tell me.
My manager said, "Good job this week."
That's wonderful.
Yes, it made me feel confident.
That's a great way to end the week. Let's pause and look at some useful phrases.
These will help you talk about your week clearly.
Phrase 1. My week was busy but productive.
Phrase 2. At the beginning of the week.
Phrase 3. In the middle of the week.
Phrase 4. At the end of the week.
Phrase 5. I completed a project.
Phrase 6. I felt proud, confident.
These phrases help you organize your story.
What was the best part of your week?
The best part was finishing my project
Why?
because I worked hard on it.
That makes sense.
So what about you?
The best part was Friday.
Because of your manager's comment?
Yes, it made me feel appreciated.
Appreciated is a very nice word.
It means you feel valued.
Now it's your turn.
Try to talk about your week.
Use this structure. Beginning of the week, middle of the week, end of the week.
For example, my week was busy. At the beginning, I worked a lot. In the middle, I finished a project. At the end, I relaxed.
Pause the video and try.
Let's review some important words.
Busy, productive, overwhelmed, organized, proud, confident.
Try to use these words in your sentences.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just speak simply and clearly.
Practice every week.
Talk about your week every Sunday.
Today, we learned how to talk about your week.
We learned how to organize your ideas.
and how to express feelings and experiences.
And we shared real-life stories.
Here is your bonus tip.
When you talk about your week, always follow a timeline.
Beginning, middle, and end.
This makes your English clear and easy to understand.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share it with your friends.
Comment "week" if you are still watching.
And tell us about your week.
We love reading your comments.
Thank you so much for listening.
Have a great week.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye.